Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Maggie, and for today's video I'm going to go ahead and do a very simple makeup tutorial for you guys. For those of you guys who like pink and blue, cotton candy is what you can think of that color. It's very simple and I want to share it with you guys. I am going to San Francisco today to sing actually, and for those of you guys who've been following me for the last few months and for supporting me going through this breast cancer, I really appreciate you guys. Thank you for the thoughts and prayers. I appreciate it. As you can see, I've already lost my hair, and I haven't been doing videos for the last few weeks. It's just because I thought that I can, like I promised, but Jesus, that drug is terrible. It's just putting me down all the time. So I really appreciate you guys understanding and for sticking with me through thick and thin. Thank you so much. Without further ado, let's go ahead and start.
Back of my mind, streak of black, left alone. Hold through the day, just one breath and fade away.
Okay, so first off, we're gonna go ahead and just put moisturizer on the face, and I'm going to use, right now it's my Olay Regenerist, whichever it is that your face is comfortable with. I just needed it to kind of make sure that it's moisturized. All right, and after that we're going to go ahead and grab my Morphe 330. Let's see if it's, because my face kind of changes. All right, I think that's fine. Haven't gone out for a while, so it's a little different. Let's see. See, this one is a lot lighter, I think, or maybe not. Okay, so now that we did that, I'm gonna go ahead and grab our Tart. It's a double duty Tart shape concealer, and which is this one. Okay, I got the small one because I don't use that a lot anyways. Just have to go ahead and blend it out. All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put powder over here. We'll just dust it later on. I am not gonna go ahead and do some concealer yet. We're gonna take care of the eyes. We're gonna use BH Cosmetics for today. And I am going to use, I so love the pink color over here, which is the Sizzle, and I'm using the Summer in Tropez. And I'm just gonna go ahead and grab myself a fluffy brush, which is my Morphe M330. So we're gonna go ahead and blend out the outer part of it, and I'm just using a fluffy brush with no eyeshadow on it. There you go. So after I blend it out, I'm going back to my Saint Tropez, and I'm just grabbing this beautiful shimmer over here, which is the Marina. I really like that color, and I'm just gonna use my finger, and I'm just gonna put it in the middle like that. Okay, so after putting that, we're just gonna go ahead and kind of brush it like this. Right? Okay, and after that, I'm done over here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and dust the powder. Okay, and if we wanted it to be more precise, I'm gonna use my, this is a makeup remover, and then we're just gonna do it like that. There you go. Okay, and then we're just gonna go ahead and retouch it. Okay, and then I'm jumping to the bottom. We're gonna go ahead and just do our concealer. And I'm using Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer. So we're gonna get our Smashbox right over here, and we're gonna go ahead and contour first. Okay, so I am using this. Obviously, I really love this color, and I'm just using like a flatty brush, whichever it is that you guys are used of using. I'm gonna do that. I am gonna go ahead and grab my True Complexion color palette, and it's light to medium. We're using the Sculpt, and it's right in the middle. Obviously, it's almost gone as well. Obviously, it's something that I use all the time. There you go. Just sculpt it. Just blend it in. And after that, I'm going to go ahead and get my Phase One Cosmetic Jet Set and Contour. I'm just gonna go ahead and grab this color over here. It's like a coral color. Just put so little because surprisingly this thing is like, see that? It's right there. Just a little bit color in here. Cheekbone. There you go. All right. So we're done with that. We're gonna go ahead and just set. There you go. Set it. Set it, and then we're gonna go ahead and set our under eye as well. So after that, I'm gonna go ahead and take care of my eyebrows. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and dust the loose powder, and I'm using Airspun loose face powder. All right, just make sure that it's all gone, and then we're just gonna kind of retouch. There you go. Bring back a little color. Okay, so after that, we're going to go back to our Summer in Tropez. And this is, by the way, from BH Cosmetics, and we're gonna go ahead and use the Pampelone, which is this beautiful blue color over here. Okay, and I'm using a very thin brush. Okay, and then I'm going to go ahead and grab this brush over here. Fluffy brush, but it's not like this big long, so it's kind of like half of it. And then we're just gonna kind of dust it. See, lighten it a little bit and leave some color. After dusting it, we're gonna go ahead and use a Wet n Wild white pencil, and we're just gonna put it on our waterline. There you go. It's kind of like to open your eyes. Okay, and the next step is we're going to go ahead and use our NYX Epic Ink Liner. This one. This one's pretty good. Okay, and then we're just going to go ahead and put it on. We're going to do our cat eye. Okay, and to finish it off, we're going to go ahead and use e.l.f. Waterproof Length and Volume Mascara. You can use whichever mascara you wanted. Surprisingly, I was able to keep a little bit of my lashes. Okay, so I was able to go ahead and put mascara. I'm gonna go ahead and finish off the eyes, and I know you can see it, but so little. Like I told you, we're going back to Marina. I so love this color because, let me tell ya, we're gonna go ahead and just put it over here. See what I'm talking about? Okay, so we're gonna jump into our lips before we go ahead and finish off the eyes, because we still have to put our lashes on and my contacts so I can drive. I'm going to use LA Girl lip liner, and it's in GP512. Why can't it be just a color? Okay, because our eyes are already bright, I don't want my lips to go bright as well. Okay, and then I am going to use the Melted Chrome Liquid Lipstick by Essence. And this is the color. For some reason, nude colors are not kind of a go for me. And there you go with the makeup. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my eyelashes on and my contacts, and I will be back. So I was able to put my lashes on. We're going to go back because I love the shimmer of the Marina. I'm just gonna use it a little bit to put a shimmer over here, over there, and over here. Think of our video for today. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you have comments and suggestions, put it down below. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do hit that subscribe button and the notification so you'll be notified when new videos come in. Thank you so much for spending your time with me today. Until my next video, I'll see you again soon. Bye.